Hello guys, welcome to Cryptus Cybersecurity channel. So in today's video, we're going to see how we can hack Android remotely with Ghost framework. So what is Ghost framework? Is an Android post exploitation framework that uses an Android debug bridge to remotely access an Android device. So for installing this Ghost framework, we will go to GitHub and install from there. Simply write Ghost framework. Copy this. We'll paste here. It will take some time after it will start. So when you install now, we will use ghost command. And here we go. Now we'll use help command to see its core commands. You can see its core commands. If you want to connect with any Android device, you will use connect and with its IP address.